Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, obviously the last video got cut off weird, and I actually got this much when I thought I was able to get it to start recording again. So go ahead and pause the video, copy down the first and second box of that flow map, and then we will move to the third step. I'm going to keep going right now, but pause and then push play once you've written that down. So what we're going to look at, Alexa, stop. Okay, so we're going to get an example here. We're going to use, let's see here, this number. 3, 4, 7, 3, 9. I spaced it out so we can do things with these numbers and still be able to read the numbers. Okay, so what we're looking at here is we're finding the digit in the rounding place, and we're underlining that digit. So I'm going to say round it to the nearest 1,000. Since I'm rounding to the nearest 1,000, I find what is in the 1,000 spot. What digit is in that position? Well, it's the 4. So now I've underlined that digit. Now the second step is to put a square around the rounding digit and its right-hand man, which means the digit to the right of it. So I'm going to put, it's not really a square, rectangle is better. I'm just say box it up, okay? A box around that rounding digit and the digit to the right of it, okay? So, I better write down the instructions for what we're doing here. Our instructions are round 3, 4, 7, 3, 9 to the thousands place. Okay, so those are instructions. We rewrote the number nice and big. We underlined the rounding digit. We boxed up the rounding digit and its right-hand man. Okay, so now let's go to that number 3 box for the flow map. Okay, actually I'm going to do the number first and then I'll draw the arrow and box it. Okay, so we're going to keep all of the digits. Please do write it in all capitals so that you remember to do it. You're going to keep all of the digits that are in the front of the box. Okay, keep all of the digits in front of the square, the box, the rectangle, whatever you want to call it. Okay? And then you are going to round the digits in, and notice it's all caps, in the box. Okay, so I'm going to box this puppy up. Am I putting a dog in a box? No, it's a figure of speech. Okay, so I'm going to take this, and there's the third one, okay? Okay, so there you can see it. It shouldn't be blurry. So I've put the box around there, okay? So this is what you're going to need to remember. I'm going to write it again so I can write even more information around here. So we're going to have 3, 4, 7, 3, 9. Okay, so again, we are underlining that digit, that rounding digit. We are going to box up the rounding digit and its right-hand man. Now for the number 3 step. We are going to write diagonal here. Keeping this one. Keeping the 3. Okay? This whole box, we are going to round. That's what we are doing. And then whatever after the box becomes zeros. Okay? So let's take a look at that. That means the 3 stays. Our 3 10,000s stays. The 3 stays. Now I have to look at this. This is what I'm rounding. So this is our rounding digit. We look to the right, and because this is 5 or more, that 1 bumps up 1, which means you add 1. You only ever, when you're rounding, only ever add 1 or it stays the same. Okay? So because that's 7, is 7 more than 5? Yes. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And now we need placeholders. 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3. So 34,739 rounded to the thousands place becomes 35,000. Okay, we will be practicing this. Make sure all of this, forgot one part of it because I had that hiccup in the middle of the video. Our 4 lines that we saved, right? Here's what we're going to write there. Let me get my pretty light green, teal colored thing. Notice what we have here. Keep round 0. This is the mantra that you're going to remember, okay? That's this whole lesson. Keep round, and then, I have to squish in the, there we go. Keep round, that's the end of my page, you can see that. Keep round 0. That's our mantra. Keep what's in front of the box, round what's in the box, and then the remaining digits become zeros. Keep round 0. Keep round 0. Okay? Be ready to practice.